Hey guys, I am super excited to review for you today this self-cleaning litter box from TailTactic. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a nice close look, demoing it for you, showing you how to set it up and use it, and getting into all the different features so you can decide whether or not this litter box will be right for you. But first off, let's begin by unboxing. Here is what you're going to get inside. All right, let's pull this beauty out, and here we are. Let's remove that packaging. And inside the litter box here, we've also got our tray, and this box full of accessories, which includes the legs, waste bags, deodorizing box, power cable, and user manual. And now let's get it assembled. I'm gonna remove this top cover. Now there's a switch back here. You're gonna open it, remove the globe from the base, and then flip the base diagonally. Trust me, this makes it so much easier to install the support legs, which will just pop right in like so. And now that the legs are on, just retrace your steps to reinstall that globe and put the cover back on. And now for the tray, what you're gonna do is remove this inner hoop, take out that deodorant box. Here's one of the boxes we get. Open it up. It smells really good. If I were to name the scent, I'd call it Oceanside Breeze. So that box is gonna snap in right here. Now for the garbage bag. So pull one out, open up the bag, and then reinstall that inner hoop and slide right back into that litter box. And now time to plug her in. And now the litter box will begin its self-test. You'll see the light is blinking white. So it'll move itself around and then the light will turn to solid once it's done. I must add, by the way, my cat is obsessed with self-cleaning litter boxes. She always has to monitor them throughout the process. And now you heard that beep. It is all done. Time to add cat litter. So just come to remove that cover again. Thankfully, it's super easy to do. Add the litter, and there is a max line in there, so it's easy to figure out where to fill it to. And now time to add. And reinstall our cover. And press the button. Press it one more time. And there we are. Now it's time for the fun part. Connecting to the app. This is the Tuya Smart app. The QR code is in the manual to get to the app. And I'm gonna show you how to link it to your litter box. I'm gonna come to the plus button, and looky there, it popped right up, so I can add it now. Enter my Wi-Fi information, and now you'll see that the device is being added. And I will say I was having trouble at first getting it connected. Thankfully though, the instructions do say that if that happens, you can just restart the device. So I restarted it and it popped right up. So don't worry, as long as you're following the instructions, you should see it. And connected, so we're all done. And here is what the app looks like. Down here, we can see all monitoring for any toilet time, any day of the week. You can also come to our settings here. Things like deodorant box reminder, indicator light, the beep. You can set the unit of weight. You can empty the litter, factory reset. Up top though are some of the most important settings. You can turn on key lock so that the button can't be played with. Clean delay, so that's how long it'll wait to clean after your cat exits. And then auto clean, you can have it automatically clean when your cat leaves. And my favorite, you can come here to this button right here to clean up at any given moment. Okay, there are now some cat goodies inside, so let's press that clean up button to get the cleaning in action. And there it goes. And all done. Look at that clean litter box. And let's pull out that tray, see what it caught. And success. And as you'll see, my cat loves it too. She has plenty of room to do her business in here and feels like she's got full privacy and security. And it does a great job cleaning after her and keeping the space fresh. And that about sums it up. Make sure to check out this litter box from TailTactic, and I hope you love it just as much, if not more, than we do.